Hi everyone and welcome back. Um in this video we need to talk about a new way to add light to the scene. In the environment we added the sky. Let's try to remove it. Let's learn how to remove it. You just need to click on this area and hit remove or disconnect. I'm going to remove the sky. And now it's become blank. Okay, if we learned how to add point, sun, spot, area, but there's another way to use the light. It's called emission light. You can change any object to light. I can change this and make it emit light. I can make the Suzanne head emit light. I can create any kind of light by using the shapes or these meshes. For example, I will change this to light. I just need to select it, and in this way I will go to the material section. I will hit new to create a new material, and here the principal BSDF I will switch it to emission. All right, so I will hit Z to go to render, and now this mesh now it's emitting light. Here we have the strength. We can change the strength, and you can make anything emit light. For example, I will bring the 3D cursor right here, shifts, hold right click and put it here, shift A to add, and let's add cube. I will make it very small like this, hit key. I will give it a material and switch the material to emission, and now it's emitting light. I can change the strength, and there we go. Here we have the color. You can change the color as well to emit a red color. So this is another way to create a light. Let's delete this. All right, let's add the plane right here because I just need to check the emission light if I can make the surface emit from both lights. So I got a plane here. I will give it a material and switch the principal BSDF to emission, and let's increase the strength just a little bit. Okay, I will delete the material from this circle. I don't need it to emit light. And let's take this let's take the plane close to the wall. So as you see here, let's go to the front, Alt R to reset the rotation, and let's rotate it again like this. I just need to check if this light emits light from the both side, and yeah, that's right. I can see that I have lights emitting from this side and this side as well. Keep in your mind something, that the emission light working with the cycle engine. If I switch the render engine to EV, I will lose the light. So it's working with the cycle. Okay, I will end this video. In the next video, I will talk about the HDRI images. See you next.